Hi, today in front of me UleFone Armor 17 Pro, and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the X icon changer app on this device. Now to do that, we should first open the Play Store app and in the search bar enter X icon changer. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, tap to open the app and then just select one from these available applications. If you want to rename it, just tap on the edit button, and here you'll see a library with different folders with the icons. You can use them or photo from your device gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, I'll use one from these available icons. So I'll just select one from this. So for example, this folder. Then just tap on to OK on the right upper corner. Now we just should skip the ads. So click at the home screen, and now we can go to desktop or to change next icon by the same way. So that's the new phone icon, and this is the regular default icon of our phone application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.